Hi, I'm Bob Conrad from North Water Marine, and we've been doing a lot of work over the last year here. We're standing in our brand new showroom, which is an old building, but we spent a lot of money and a lot of energy renovating. It's a very nice space now. The other big project this year was we put in new docks all the way from our old service building here all the way down to valet as well. So it's much easier for the valet customers and rental customers to get in and out by water. Here at North Water Marine, we also put in new forklift launches. We've got two of these big giant forklifts that'll put the boats in and out of the water much more quickly and efficiently than we have in the past, in addition to the ramp that we had before. So we can really take care of our valet customers. I'd really like to thank our employees who kind of put up with all of the construction and disruption that got in the way of doing their jobs every day trying to take care of our customers. They've all done a great job. We have a lot of people here today at our open house that are valet customers and do storage and service with us, which is what we really want to be able to do is take care of everybody's boating needs year-round. I'm Bob Conrad here at North Water Marine. Please come see us this summer at the bridge in Weirs Beach. You can see us from the channel or the road.